How to add Facebook pixel to your Shopify store. So this video will cover the Facebook pixel addition to our Shopify store. So what is pixel? So pixel is basically an analytics attachment embed to your website's code so that it can gather data and see the activities that are happening in your website. So it's really important because it will be used for analytics. Now, if we go to online store over here, the metapixel will look like a snippet of code that is added by Facebook uh, to our code. So if we go on our code editor on Shopify and see the Facebook and see our website's code, it will has it will have the code written over here. So for the pixel, so the shape is in the form of a code, and what it really does is it gathers your store's activities like add to cart, like a view page, or go to checkout, go to cart, and view the product page. Things that is very useful if you are going to analyze your store's performance. Let's say, for example, you are you are investing in an advertisement for your product that you sell in Shopify, and you have the daily advertisement to be $1, right? And in that daily advertisement, you can see the performance of that product using Facebook Pixel and using the analytics gathered from the Pixel. We'll cover that later in this video. But let's say, for example, you sold $20 worth of goods that day, and you can see the how the user interacts, how many users add them to cart, how many users proceed to checkout, and how many users actually pay and purchase the product. So those data will be very useful for you to justify and to inform your decision whether or not you can increase your advertisement or you can just decrease your advertisement. Okay, so that is the illustration of what a pixel is and its usage. Now let's get down to business. So the first step that we need to do is to install the Facebook ad. The Facebook app from Shopify. It is official. Just go to the left menu over here and click Add Apps, and then click Shopify App Store, and then find the Meta extension, Meta app. Now, Facebook Meta has added their official app for pixel generation to Shopify, and this one is the one. Let's go ahead and just install it. And this app will be required for us to not only add our pixel to our Shopify store, but also to add our product as an advertisement in Facebook. So, in addition to adding your product, your Facebook pixel, you can also add your products as an advertisement in Facebook, and we'll get into that later. Okay, so this will be the screen that you will see when you're first seeing when you're first installing Facebook and Instagram. You can go ahead and pin it if you want. Let's just click get started here to get started. Now, you need to have a Facebook account, your Facebook business account for in order for this to work. So you need to install and make a Facebook account. To make a business account, you can just create a page from your personal Facebook account or even from your Instagram. I'm sure you will be able to find information on those. So, okay. So I do have my Instagram account and Facebook account that I use as a demo for this tutorial, and I'm going to choose my connected page on Facebook page over here. Let's just pretend that this is my product page on Facebook, right? And so let's connect it. Okay, so now once you've connected your Facebook account and business account, we will need to choose our data sharing preference. Now, conservative. Now, these three options will affect on how many data and how accurate that data on how many data that is extracted from your website to the Facebook pixel. Now I recommend you to go for maximum over here in order to get the most data, but enhanced is also good. So let's click save over here. I'm going to choose maximum. Now the data sharing is maximum. As you can see, I have already added a pixel for me, but I can choose to create a new pixel. But especially if you're first starting on Facebook Pixel, you will not have the pixels seen here. But if you do have already pixels existing in your account, you will see the pixel over here. In this case, I'm just going to create new. And it's easy as that. We have the newest Rayhan's pixel over here. We can change the name later in Facebook business settings. Okay, for now, let's just confirm and check agree to the terms and condition and click submit for review. Okay, so that's as simple as that. So now we should have our Facebook pixel up and running, but I want to show you how you can add your product on Shopify to be shown in your Facebook page as an advertisement. And to do that, just go to products. Oops, by the way, we should not refresh this page, so let's just go to product and safely open the tab later. In the meantime, let's just open business.facebook.com to see the results of the Facebook pixel. Okay, so once you're in the business.facebook.com, just go to all tools and search for pixel. And we need to choose events manager. And then in the events manager, let's go to the data sources over here. And you should see your pixels. Now you will know that your pixel has been installed correctly to Shopify if you can see the matching ID of your pixel. So as you can see now, I have the newest pixel to be the pixel with the number ending 1522, and I'm just going to check if the ID matches the ID that is in Shopify. All right, now we're ready and it is configured. Now to do that, just go to the Facebook and Instagram app settings and look for the pixel. There you go, 1522. So we have a matching pixel ID, and that is how we know that we have a working pixel. Now it's empty for now, but the idea is as your store is interacting with the visitors, you will see the activities that you care about shown over here. So there you go. Now in my previous pixel that I've installed a few times before, a few moments ago, you can see the page view content, and add to cart events. You can see the total events. You can even see the analytics over here as more data is collected. But yeah, that is the main idea of the Facebook pixel. Now lastly is how do you add a your Shopify product to Facebook, right? And to do that, just go to products and choose the product that you want to add to your Facebook page. Now, once you're in the product editing menu, just go ahead and go over the publishing, and under sales channels, just check Facebook and Instagram over here. If you have that checked, you will be able to see your Facebook your Shopify product too in Facebook. So that is all from me. Thank you.